Okay, now for the day 3 guided practice. So number 1, ask us to state which angle corresponds to angle S. We're given a congruent statement. Angle S is the one that's right here in the middle on the second one. So we want the same one on the first one. So that'd be angle B. Okay, they tell us triangle FGH is congruent to triangle JKL. Find each value. So for 2, they ask us to find KL. Well, here's KL right here. Now, which one goes with KL? There's KL there. So GH is what goes with KL. Oh, come back, come back. Well, if I look though, that doesn't tell me much. I still don't know what Y is. Because that 4x minus 20 goes with an angle, not a line. So that means I've got to look at another set of parallel lines that maybe will help me. So over here, they tell me what FG is. What does FG go with? JK. So that's what I'm going to have to use to get Y. 3y minus 15 equals 12. Add 15 to both sides. We get 3y equals 27. Divide by 3, and we get y equals 9. Now it says KL is equal to y. Y is 9, so that means KL is equal to 9. So KL is 9. Now they ask us to find the x. Well, let's see what we know. So the x is in this equation goes with this angle, G. Which angle matches with G on the other triangle? That would be K, which is 108. So this one we can actually set up and say 4x minus 20 equals 108. Add 20. We get 4x equals 128. Divide by 4, and you'll get x equals 32. In this case, it just asks us to find x, so we are done. X equals 32. Okay, now we have a proof to deal with. So let's do it. They give us some information and then tell us to prove that triangle ABE is congruent to triangle CDE. So that's our goal. First, they tell us that AB is parallel to CD. Where do we see that? That's up here in the given. So that's going to be our reason. It is given. So then it tells us that angle ABE, so this angle right here, is congruent to CDE. Whoa, why is it zooming out on me? It's going crazy. There's CDE. Furthermore, it says that angle BAE, so this angle right here is congruent to DCE, this angle right here. How on earth are those congruent? Let's see if I can draw this out some, if it triggers anything. Yeah, what kind of angles are those? Alternate interior angles. So these are alternate interior angles. Okay. Oh, I guess I should go back and mark what we learned. So we said D, congruent to B, that, it's congruent to that. Okay, then it tells us that AB is congruent to CD. Have I seen that anywhere? Yeah, it's given. Then it says E is the midpoint of AC and BD. Have I seen that anywhere? Oh, it's also given. So now we've used all of our given statements. Now, next we have to have a reason, or we have to have a step, and our reason is the definition of midpoint. Oh, let's go back to the last one. It says E is exactly in the middle here. So what's that mean about AE? AE is congruent to CE. So these two are congruent. That also means, though, that BE is congruent to DE. So these are congruent. And last but not least, or actually it's not the last step, second to last step, says angle AEB. So AEB is this one. 1, 2, 3. Is congruent to CED. So 1, 2, 3. Why are those congruent? What kind of angles are they? Vertical angles. So our reason here is the vertical angles theorem. So we've now proven that everything's congruent. So what's that mean about the two triangles? It means that triangle ABE is congruent to triangle CDE by the definition of congruent triangles. Okay, so that's all for the guided practice. You got to identify some corresponding parts down here, work a few problems. On the back, you'll have a proof to do. Don't worry, it's matching. So don't freak out too much on me, it's just matching. Then you got some multiple choice questions. So hop to it. If you need help, email me, send me a message on Remind, and I'll try to get back with you.